And the race is on. Followed by Bianca's Fantasy. In the hay from the outside, down on the inside, Prapubel and Santeria is the early trailer. Maypan by about 2 lengths, followed by Bianca's Fantasy in second. And racing third by Drell is Prapubel. Santeria down on the inside, and the favorite in the hay is now running at the tail of the field, passing the 3/4 mile distance. Maypan by about 2 lengths, followed now by Santeria in second. And racing on the outside, Bianca's Fantasy, number 2, Prapubel. And in the hay, running at the tail of the field by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. That's to the leader, Maypan by about 2 lengths, followed by Santeria in second. Bianca's Fantasy racing third by about 2 lengths, Prapubel down on the inside, and in the hay is still running at the tail of the field, this time by about 6 lengths. As they round the far turn, 2 runners fighting it out for the lead. Maypan by ahead. Santeria down on the inside. Bianca's Fantasy is racing in third. And here comes in the hay as they race the final corner. Maypan by half a length, followed by Santeria by Drell. In the hay on the outside, Bianca's Fantasy, but Maypan by about 2 lengths, followed by Santeria. In the hay on the outside, Maypan still leading by some 2 lengths, followed by in the hay. And finally, Maypan in the hay. Santeria, Bianca's Fantasy, and number 2, Prapubel to complete the arrival.